how to open an canvas or artboard in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump on it. So I am here in the Illustrator. I already showed you about these templates and welcome screen of Adobe Illustrator. Now I will show you today how to open a canvas or artboard inside it. So if I click here more preset, then you can see new document dialog box, new document creating dialog box has been popped up. So here is all ready-made template. You can see this is the mobile ready-made presets. This is web ready-made presets. You can see, you can notice that here is measurement pixel, but when I am selecting print ready-made preset or template, then it will show as point, and also this is DPI. PPI is 300. When I am selecting film and video, it is also turned to 72 PPI and it is pixel. Art illustration as like same as others. Also color is RGB color. So these are all ready-made template. We can easily create a custom canvas. We can put here name like test. I can put it test. Width as we wish. We can select pixel. Any measurement we can take from here, and any width and size we can provide from here. So now this is the orientation. We can select as landscape, and another is portrait. We can select artboard. You can see that here is artboard. If we press here 420, you can see this is a warning box appeared. So we cannot actually create so much canvas from here. If I put 200, you can see this is not appeared. If I put 400, this is not appeared. 300. If we put 420 and if we create here, you can see that 420 canvas or artboard have been created to work on. See, this is the single. We can, but here is a warning box pop up. So you can see we created 420 artboards or canvas inside Illustrator, but here is caution showing. So please take care with that and consider that when it will not show, then you can create these numbers of artboard. This is bleed. This is the printing option. When you design a printing like banner or flyer, then you can consider it. Color mode RGB for web version and CMYK for printing version. Also raster effects or PPI is 300 for printing and 72 or 150 for web version. Preview mode, usually we use default version. So I hope you get the idea. Here is 200 artboard. I hope you get the idea how to create canvas or artboard inside Adobe Illustrator. So if you get something learned from here, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you can get notified when every day I am posting new videos, so you get notified easily. Keep editing.